Hi, today I'm going to show you 3-room HDB BTO flat, Showflat at HDB Hub. This is the 3-bedroom living room. This green color I don't really like. It looks very plastic. It's more dining area in the living room. Pretty tiny, small little space. Now let's look at the kitchen. It's an open concept kitchen. Going all the way to the living room area, I find. Color I don't really like. The wall cabinets also don't like it. Okay, let's look at the bedroom. There's a study area. 2 high cabinets. Here we can put a single small little bed. Okay, let's look at the toilet. Toilet, again, green concept. I think all the toilet is about the same, just that is the cover itself different colors in different bedrooms. Okay, this is another room. Can put a wall mounted TV. Master bedroom. The wall can put a painting or something like that, and an outpiece. I think after a while you will don't like the outpiece. For me, I don't like it. I don't like the outpiece. Switches, the floor. Vinyl flooring. The master bedroom toilet. Actually, in this kind of dark gray color, it will make the toilet to be very dark. Personally, I felt during daytime, I prefer a brighter color. Okay, so living room, and you see connecting to the kitchen over here. It's like I don't really like the whole concept of the open kitchen going all the way to the living room area. blocking the space. And the sidewalk area to your entrance, there's actually a hidden bomb shelter area here and the side there. Okay, the side. This is the bomb shelter. Inside the bomb shelter, walk in and see how it feels like. There's electrical power point. Okay. Bomb shelter. There, covered up. So he's hidden in the bomb shelter area to make it neatly nice. That's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.